Yeah, cyclone is gone, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it was raining too much.
Now, okay.
Now it's fine, yeah.
Okay. Today, one more person also there.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, no problem.
yeah, okay. I continue your topics only
Yeah,
from your side.
no problem.
Any questions on built-in methods which we have discussed in the last
Uh,
class?
no.
No. Okay. Today, few more built-in methods we continue. Uh, there, substring split. Those
Mm,
things we can discuss.
mm,
First, we will take the substring. The substring main purpose. We have one big string. From that string, I want to take some part. I
mhm.
want to take some part.
Yeah.
So those kind of things taking time we use the substring. Like index of method only in the substring we have the multiple uh, behaviors like polymorphism. Polymorphism in the sense one interface is having the multiple
Multi.
behaviors. So that is possible in the substring also. We have seen that thing in the index of that behavior most of time number of arguments and arguments types. Based on these two things, different behaviors method is getting. Uh, Here already I have shared the screen. Please see index of method is having the only one argument here. That is the
Mm,
one thing. Another one, two arguments. Index of string
from
from
index.
index. These two things. So whenever you have given the single argument, that time index of string method executes. You have given the two arguments, string from
String from
index,
index.
different method it executes. So that is a polymorphism. Similar way, instead of the string argument, you can give the character argument. Here also, index of character argument, second one is the from index. Like that, four behaviors it has, index of method. Okay, that is the thing we have discussed. Now, I am coming back to our new method, that is the substring. So let me take substring first. Substring. Here you have to give the index from index. That is the one thing. Suppose this is the main string you can assume. In this string, I want to take the data, this part, wherever digit is starting from that position. Whenever we have that kind of requirement, we have to provide the from index of the 1. We have given this one position index. Uh, this substring what it does now, from this position to end of the string it takes. From here to end of the string it takes. That is the substring behavior. So let me try. Take string. So substring is equal m2 dot substring. Here you have to take. You have to provide index. This one position we have to count. Here account 7. Number is the 5, 12. Two spaces 13, 14. Position is the 15. But index is 14. One is the 15th character. but index is 15 minus 1, 14. Let me execute. Print that value. While executing, we can watch. Substring, we got it. Maybe my count is wrong. It has taken the space also. Or here I have given the space. No. So here 14th is not the correct position. Let me count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is the correct. That's why space also came here, single space. I have to give here 15. Let me execute. This time I'm expecting without space. So it's clear.
Yeah.
This is the substring. Okay. Next, I don't want to take the up to end from this position to up to end. I don't want. Here, I want to get only 10 digits, 10 characters. I know account number whenever I have created, this is assume banking domain. Whenever you have created the one account, every time you will get here one new 10 digits number. That is the behavior. Except these 10 digits, remaining characters are same. Assume that format is same. Only 10 digits are keep on changing. Every time it change. My requirement, these 10 digits only I want to get it. Always starts at the 15th position, ends with the this is the 10 digits, no, 25th position, means 24th. Zero position is the 24th. So I need these 10 characters. That time also substring only helps. Substring begin index, comma, end index. You have to give two arguments. Two arguments we have to give. So it will start from the begin index and goes up to end index. That is this behavior. So let me try one more argument. AC number is equal to m2 dot substring begin index, end index. You have to provide. Begin index is 15, you know. End index
24.
24. But in this behavior, end index won't be take. End index won't be take. What happened?
It's subsequence it came. So
No, some error is there.
Substring.
Oh, substring.
yeah,
Yes,
subsequence it came.
Auto filling problem. Okay. Very important. End index character it doesn't take. End index minus one index position it takes. See here in the written a string that is a substring of the string. The substring begins at the specified begin index and extend to the character at end index -1. Okay. The length of substring is end index minus begin index. How many characters it takes? That thing also that tell. One example also they have given. We can see here hamburger dot substring 4 is the begin index, 8 is the end index. Return is the arch. So index is the fourth this one no? From there to here. So some examples also they have given. You can see. Okay. Let me execute. You will get it. Run this one. Now we got it exactly 10 digits. 1, 2, 0. This one only we got it. This kind of requirement we will get very frequently. So I will give the example. In the banking domain, account number will come like that. Any transactions you have done, that an transaction ID comes like this. Next, any bill payment, utility bill payment you have done, that time also transaction ID will come. In many places, we have to get the value for the future steps execution in the test case. Similar, we have taken other domain applications like insurance domain we have taken. There, we are creating the policy number. Any payment we have done policy amount, it give the payment acknowledgement number kind of thing. These things is happening. Next, uh, any online uh, shopping applications, e-commerce applications, there also you will get the order number. Those things we will capture like this. Telecom domain also. Anything you have taken account ID or uh, phone number kind of mobile number kind of things, it will be displaying the message. So that's all. Okay, that is the use of this logic. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Next, one more dynamic uh, string handling thing I will cover here. Suppose this is not always fixed. That one position is not always fixed. It is changing. Uh, Assume in the banking domain we have different types of accounts like saving account, Suvidha account, current account, like that. In that case, you can give at the beginning that type. It will come that type. So you have created saving account. It will be tell M2 no saving account number. You have created credit card account. That time credit card account number. You have given loan account number. That time now one position is not 15. It change. So then how to handle? How to handle? So for that one clue is here. Our required value is coming after the number word or is created before. Based on these things, we have to get it that one position. One position. One position you got it or zero position you got it. You know how many characters you have to get it. Here you know 10 characters. End index you can manage easily. You know begin index, end index easily you can manage. End index you know, begin index you can easily manage. The 10 subtraction or addition you can do it. That is. So how to get the one position? Any thoughts from your side, Pooja?
We need to give the space thing. Can we use the space?
Space, many spaces are there. That thing won't give the clue. After
So
number,
if only if
number word is fixed, is created is fixed. Based on that, you can think. Suresh, do you have any idea?
Can you split, sir?
Split as of now, I didn't cover.
Like delimiters, using delimiters, we can split it, right?
That is lengthy logic. Okay, index of method only you can use, no? Index of method you can use, and number word you can try. Number word you can search. If that is existed, what you will get? N position you will get. So N position you got it. From here you can add these many characters position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 position. So plus 7 we can do. So index of method you can use, and number word you can search. There N position you will get. For that 7 you can add 1 position you will get. So you have to apply here 2 methods, then only you will get. Let me try that one now. Here string M3 I can give. So this time I can give loan account number. Loan account number. So you can take int n post is equal to M3 dot index of give here number. So you can print number post plus n post. Come to now substring M3 dot substring begin index end index you can take. Begin index is n post plus how many characters? For it is 7 characters. Again you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space is the 6. 1 position is the 7. So plus 7. End index side. End index side n post plus from here 17 characters we can give. So this is the 7th position. From here 10 characters you need. So plus 10. Total 17. Let me print. AC number is equal. So see now we got it. We got that one. So if you made it like this, run this one. So see here. Let's get. Here instead of the loan account number, we can give credit card account number. Credit card account number. That length is more. Even though our index of help you to get that position. So now also we got that position is 20. N position in the number 20. Now try this time saving account. It is working. That number position is the 15. 15 plus 7 no 22. Starting character position will be 22. That's it. This is the substring usage. Exactly in the real time we will get this kind of requirement. Please remember this logic.
Yeah, can we just disconnect and reconnect it back because my screen is getting blank. So
Oh, okay. I will.
yeah. Okay, yeah. I'll just restart my laptop. Yeah,
Okay, sure. Okay.
yeah. Just sorry.
Yeah, okay. Suresh, I'm restarting the call. Okay.
Yeah.